Hello everyone! Welcome to the Brainbyte English channel. We're glad to have you here. Let's begin and learn something new today.
Have you ever planned to wake up early, but then hit the snooze button 5 times? Yeah, same. Hi, I'm Luna, and today I'm taking you through a real day in my life as a university student. Not a perfect Instagram day, but a real one. If you're learning English, just relax, listen, and enjoy the story. You'll learn daily routine vocabulary, natural expressions, and maybe feel like, hey, this is literally my life. Let's start my day. I usually wake up at 7:30 a.m. Honestly, I don't jump out of bed. I scroll my phone first. Instagram, WhatsApp,
and suddenly it's 7:45.
Finally, I get out of bed, wash my face, and brush my teeth. Some mornings I feel sleepy. Some mornings I feel lazy. And some mornings I feel motivated for no reason. I take a quick shower, around 10 minutes, because university mornings are always rushed. For breakfast, I keep it simple. Most days, I have toast with butter or an egg, and a cup of tea or coffee. While eating, I check my class schedule and remind myself, okay, just survive today. By 8:30 a.m., I get dressed, pack my bag, and leave the house. My bag is always heavy: books, notebook, charger, water bottle. And somehow, it still feels like I forgot something. I usually commute by bus. On the bus, I listen to music or English podcasts. Sometimes I revise notes. Sometimes I just stare out of the window and think about life. This is my quiet time before the chaos begins. My first class usually starts around 9:30 a.m. Some lectures are interesting, and some are honestly very boring. But I still take notes because future me will need them. Between classes, I meet friends, talk about assignments, exams, and food. University conversations are usually like, did you understand the lecture? Or, same. Around 1 p.m., it's lunchtime. Sometimes I bring food from home. Sometimes we eat at the cafeteria. Not because it's amazing, but because we're hungry. After lunch, energy goes down. My brain feels slow, and I just want a nap. In the afternoon, I either attend labs or go to the library. This is when reality hits. Assignments, deadlines, group projects. I try to focus, but my phone keeps calling me. So I tell myself, study for just 25 minutes. And starting is the hardest part. When I finally get some work done, I feel proud, even if it's just 1 page. By evening, I'm tired but relieved. University is done for the day. When I get home, I change into comfortable clothes immediately. That's the best feeling ever. I help a little at home, have dinner with my family, and talk about my day. Dinner is my reset button. After dinner, I relax. Sometimes I watch YouTube or Netflix. Sometimes I revise notes. And sometimes I do absolutely nothing, and that's okay. At night, I prepare for the next day, pack my bag, and set alarms. Yes, alarms, plural. Before sleeping, I scroll again and promise myself, tomorrow I'll be more productive. Finally, around 11:30 p.m., I turn off the lights and sleep. This was a real day in my life. As a university student. Not perfect. Not aesthetic. Just real. If you're learning English, try this. Describe your own day in simple English. You don't need perfect grammar, just be real. Comment below. What part of the day is hardest for you? And if this felt relatable. Like, to relatable, you're not alone. See you in the next episode.
Thank you for watching. That's all for today's lesson. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. See you in the next lesson. Let's keep learning together.